Now we have the chance to talk to the project manager of the new Audi RS3 LMS, Dr. Andrea Milocco, who's here with us today, of course, also. Hello, Andrea.
Hello.
So let's talk a bit about some technical aspects of this wonderful car. Again, it's based on the road version as stipulated by the rules, actually.
That's correct. It takes advantage from all qualities and highlight of the road car. The body shell, for example, comes from Ingolstadt, while the 2-liter 4-cylinder engine comes from our plant in Hungary.
What did you do to offer your customers the best possible value for money?
By everything we did, we kept an eye on costs. We used the synergies in the Volkswagen Group for development and production. We maximized the mileage limit for the components, and our customers worldwide benefit from a comprehensive service network, from a reliable parts supply, and from a continuous development of the racing cars along its life cycle. The 340 horsepower 2-liter 4-cylinder engine is the last Evo 4 generation of our 4-cylinder unit, and with the previous generation of this engine, our customers made already tens of thousands of kilometers without troubles on the racetrack. The new tuning system is made for being less sensitive from impact from the bottom. The new gearbox is very robust, the new clutch is lighter, and together with the new drive shaft, we further improved the mileage limit and reliability of the car.
And how about aerodynamics? Any changes there?
New aerodynamics have been developed entirely with the support of the CFD, the competition of aerodynamics.
Okay, thank you very much for now, Andrea. We'll hear more now about aerodynamics and CFD from the man who's in charge of the development of this wonderful brand new car, Detlef Schmidt. He's gonna show us now some more really interesting facts that you should know about the new Audi RS3 LMS.
Like Andrea already mentioned, the aerodynamics is fully developed with the help of safety. Here you can see the top view of the car with the air scoops in the bonnet, where we packaged different versions in order to optimize the airflow through the engine bay and minimize the turbulence. In TCR, all is about safety. Drivers need to be fast and mechanics as well. To change the setup of the suspension very quickly, we can remove shims here and change the camber and the toe. We have developed a complete new brake system. The ventilation is improved, caliper cooling is added. This improves the brake performance and the consistency. In the cockpit, we support the driver even better. We have got a central module on the steering wheel, a keypad with 12 main functions, all in order to make the driver comfortable and not use too much of his attention maneuvering the switches. As always for Audi, safety first. We have the Audi Sport protection seat, which is mounted more inside to the longitudinal axis of the car. We have the protection nets. We have the side impact protection system in the door. And the roof hatch, in the case of an emergency, the extraction team can open, remove the helmet very gently, and can insert the KDE, the Kendrick extrication device.